Hey guys, and welcome to another video. Now this is actually going to be a really great video because we're going to be making a real website entirely out of code. So it's something that sounds more advanced, but it's actually not that hard. So for this video we're actually going to be typing in the code language of HTML, and I'm going to be using Visual Studio Code, which is a coding app. I'll leave a link to the website where you can download Visual Studio Code in the description below. So let's get started. Now the great thing about this is if you title your file index.html, it will provide you with sort of like a lot of shortcuts which help you type really fast. So for example, we're going to start off every time we make a website, HTML:5. What this does is it gives you sort of like this, what some people call like the skeleton of, or like the backbone of your work. So in this sort of backbone, I guess, we're gonna type different, like all the code will go in here. So in this head area where it says head, all the stuff you type that will make stuff appear in the website, you type it in here. And all the stuff that won't actually change to like the physical look of the website, stuff that won't be on it, you put it here. It's sort of like behind the scenes stuff goes here. So we won't be doing anything in the body. For today's video, we're just going to be doing stuff that will make words or text appear in the website. So the first thing is that if you're going to type something, you could possibly want different sizes of the text, different colors, and different fonts. So there are actually several different fonts you can do, and the first one is title. So if you type a T and click enter, you'll get this title thing. And this makes the words pretty big, just like a title, basically. So the title of this video will be coding. And if you wanted to make something a little bit smaller than the title, but not too small, H1, click enter. Now this won't be as big as the title, but it will still be pretty big. Now to have something a little bit smaller than H1, you do H2 and so on. So as the number beside the H gets bigger, the words get smaller. So that's how you can change the size of the words. Now if you wanted to make your words like an average size that is easy for people to read, then you do P, and that makes all your words into a paragraph. So what we're going to do is we're going to go here and we're going to grab a random paragraph of Latin, and we're just going to place it in there. Now this is going to be a paragraph. So that's basically what we did. All these words will appear in the website as a paragraph. Now, if you want to make italics, you just click I and click enter. If you want to make it bold, you click B and enter. If you want to make underlined, you click U and enter. Now, for the italics, I'm going to make one paragraph here, italics. I'm going to make that one bold. I'm going to make this one underlined. Boom. So we got 3 different paragraphs, all of which are either italics, bold, or underlined. Now the last thing that we're going to be going over in this video is going to be how to put a link. So if you want to make a link, you just click A and enter. Like, that's basically how easy it is. And then you just have to give the link. So I'm actually going to put a link to my YouTube channel, and then I'm going to put it in these two sort of like quotes right there, and that's the link to my YouTube channel. Now it will just say error if I put it into the website. That's because you need it to have some words to look like. So the link will look and it will say So basically, when you click the coder, it will bring you to this link, okay? So that's what that does. So now let's check out our website. So I'm going to go here. Don't forget to do this, otherwise all your work will just like get deleted. So you have to click save. So now it's saved. I'm going to make it smaller like that. And I'm going to drag it out here. So now it's become a file like this. If I double click on it, boom, we've just got a website. Now it doesn't look like one of those professional ones, but it's a start, you know. We got the title, we got the H1, we got the H2. This is the this is the paragraph. This is the italics. This is the bold, and this is the underlined. And the coder right here is actually a link which brings us to the YouTube channel. Sorry, it's a bit slow. So yeah, so that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, a sub to the channel would be incredible. That's it for this video, and see you in the next one.